Hello there. In this video, I'll show you the discount features in Bird and how they work with pickup and delivery. From the cart drawer, I'll choose Pickup, choose a date and a time, and click Checkout. The details auto-populate, and I can see the free pickup rate, but there's no discount here yet. So let's go back and create one. Now, in Settings, click on Discounts, then click Add, and this modal opens. There are two ways to add a discount. The first is creating a discount from the Shopify admin, and the second is creating the entire discount right from Bird. I'll apply this discount for pickup, and I'll apply this discount for Saturdays and Sundays, and I'll set the time to 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. slot. The minimum order value set as $160. The discount type is set to a percentage value of 10%. Then I'll click Create Discount. Now that the discount is created in Bird, let's test it. My discount applies on Saturdays and Sundays, so I'll select Saturday, pick the specific time slot, and move to Checkout. You can see there's a pickup discount as configured. Let's go back and check local delivery as well. I'll add another discount in Bird, this time for local delivery. I'll set it for USA Maine, limit it to specific postal codes, and add 11219. Let's make this one 15%, with a minimum order value of $160 as well. Now let's create the discount. And you can see the delivery discount comes through at 15% for delivery. This was the rate selected for the local delivery setup, and this was the discount applied on the entire order value. So that's pretty much it for discounts in Bird.